First, we do skincare. If you don't do skincare, your makeup is probably going to look like skincare is literally the most important part to your base. Also super important to let each product dry. Caffeine serum does wonders when you get older, just FYI. So good for your skin. Ladies and gents, what are we replacing these two things with? Because they make my skin feel amazing, but obviously I'm not going to support someone like that. So I need to know what you guys are using that makes your skin feel just as good as this ridiculously priced cream. I changed my clothes while I let my skincare dry in and really absorb into my skin. Now we're going to use primer. This is my favorite primer ever. I go for it again and again. And while that absorbs into my skin, I like to basically glue down my brows and get them the shape that I like them. Now we're going to carve our eyelids out. Oh, so that we can do our eyeshadow. Now we're going to take a cream color and put it all over our eyelid, and this is basically going to be our transition color. Now we're going to take this beautiful chocolate brown right here and basically go in like this and build it up like that, and I'll fill it in. Now taking that same brown, I'm going to do like a little U right here. Lovely. And I'll do that to the other side. Now we're going to do a line like right here and bring it all the way out. Now we're going to go in for the inner corner to the best of our ability. Lovely. And I'll connect that to that. And I just use a brush like this. It's way easier. Now we're going to take this beautiful powder blue and do some highlights around the brown. We're basically going to fill in the U. And this is going to take a minute to really build up the pigment that you want. Now we're going to go underneath the line. And that's going to take a minute to build up as well. I'm going to take a brown sharpened liner and kind of go like this. That way I have another spot for some blue there. We'll do that on the other side. And I think that'll be good until we take this off. Now we're just going to fill in this part with some blue. Just like that, and we just have to fill it in. Now add a little bit of blue to the underline here. Just enough so it's like kind of noticeable. We're going to take our finger and this like shimmer and kind of go right in here and fill it in just a smidgen. Just enough so that it looks really sweet in the light. Now let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. Okay, we can definitely work with this. We're going to put blue on the underneath of the eye line. What do we think so far? The eyes are practically done. I really, really like how it turned out, and now I'm gonna go do my base. This is literally how I apply my base, and I literally just go for the darker spots first and blend it out gently. That way I have more coverage on my face. I go do some finishing touches and show you the final result. And this is the final look. What do we think? I'm completely obsessed with this look. I think I did pretty decent, so you guys have to go check out the transitions, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!